We're ready. Go.
Ready? Alright, go ahead.
Oh, wow. Don't let go of that stick.
Hit it, hit it. Yeah, don't let go of that stick.
4,
Hit it, buddy.
5, one more. Oh!
Big swing.
Okay, next one. Okay.
Okay, one time. Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Good job.
All right.
Good job, buddy.
Are we just going to not use this?
Hold on to that stick.
Not the first time around, I guess.
Go get in the back of the line, Robert, okay?
Well, you guys got something to grab all the candy with?
Yep, they got little bags right there.
Oh,
There you
okay.
go. Hit it, buddy. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
Where's the bag?
Hit it. There you
Oh,
go.
oh.
Hey, remember the last one that came? Wasn't that your guys' that the string came out?
Hey, Dick, how many times are they hitting it?
One more
6
time,
is
buddy.
good. There we go.
Alright, there you go.
One last one.
Alright, after you, we're going to blindfold him. Because you're a big... Oh, he's left.
Oh, lefty.
Oh, and right.
Ooh.
Whoa.
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 You're getting angry.
Whoa.
Okay. One more. Okay.
Okay.
That's all.
It's looking wounded.
He's going to kill it.
Okay.
Let's
go, babe.
Oh, you brought that?
No, it's good.
Oh, we have one. Oh, we're blindfolded.
Hey, don't worry. I wouldn't be surprised if this happens too. It comes right out.
Hold on. Don't swing.
What? Hey, Shannon, stand over there by the rocks so that he doesn't fall in the rocks.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
Okay.
I'll whip.
Ready? Can you feel it?
Right there.
You
in front
hit
of
your
okay?
face?
Ready? Go ahead.
There you go.
Whack it.
Ooh.
Whack that sucker.
Up. Swing. Hit.
Oh. Oh.
No, not yet.
Oh.
Chopped it. What?
What do we do?
They always do that. Hold on.
It chopped. I think you're done, babe. Okay,
Other
bye.
You're done. Hold on. Time out. Good hit, buddy.
Yeah.
Tell me what happened.